Hello my friends, I'm Kim from Empower Simcoe EarlyON Child and Family Center, and we are already in the month of February, and February is what I like to call Feel Good February. And what makes me feel good is when I show how much I care for others and my family and my friends. So I thought we could get our creative juices flowing and do something creative to show someone maybe in your family how much you care. Would you like to join me? Great! All right, let's get started. So here are the materials that I've got. Some pipe cleaners, markers, scissors, some different stickers, googly eyes, some crayons, pen, glue stick, tape. This is my hole punch, a big construction paper,
and a paper towel roll.
All right, let's get started making our love bug. So first we're going to take our big piece of paper, we're going to fold it in half, and then we're going to fold that in half again and press to the edges and push down, and then we're going to pick it up, take our scissors, and we're going to make kind of like a half heart shape. We're not going to go quite pointy, so that we have hopefully some spots to then attach to our roll. Oh, I didn't. It snapped, but that's okay because we have our tape. So there's our big bug wings. Move this off to the side. Now we can take our toilet paper roll, and you could decorate the toilet paper roll. I might add a sticker on. You could wrap it with different color, or color it, or paint it. Whatever you'd like. I'm gonna do that, and then take, maybe decorate the body a little bit more with some hearts, and use my tape, and I'm going to turn it over to put my wings on. But actually, I think, well, no, I'm going to do that first. Put tape on, and then I can decorate my wings. And again, you can use whatever you have at home, paints, stickers. Some big heart stickers here that I found in my leftovers from last year. So I'm going to put those on my wings. So you can get so creative drawing on the wings and doing different fun things that your kids might like to do. I have some star stickers here. Put one in there, and a blue one in here, and then I might add just some designs around. And then we can make another heart with a smaller piece of paper, whatever color for your love bug you want. I chose red. There's any color will do. And again, I'm going to make half a heart shape, and your parents maybe can help you with the folding over and then making that kind of shape, because when you open it up, it makes a beautiful heart. And that's going to be the face of my bug. So this is where your glue, I'm using a glue stick, maybe actual white glue will hold your eyes on better, my googly eyes. So we add the eyes. And that's where we're gonna place the heart, head, and then we make our face and great big happy love bug. And we'll stick it on. All right, so I've taped on the face, and now I'm gonna use these pipe cleaners and my hole punch to, what do bugs usually have? They usually have antennae. It's thicker paper, so. Or you could just use scissors as well. If you don't have a hole punch, you can kind of get mom or dad to help you with the scissors to push a little hole or puncture something, just a little bit, so that you can fit your pipe cleaner through. Then you wrap it around, and then I like twirly antennae, so I'm gonna curl mine up to make them look twirly. And there we go. Now I have a little poem or song about the love bug. Would you like to hear it? All right, let's go. Do you know the little love bug, the little love bug, the little love bug? Do you know the little love bug who comes on Valentine's Day? They come to give a kiss and a hug, a kiss and a hug, a kiss and a hug. They come to give a kiss and a hug to you on Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone! I hope you guys have fun creating your own love bugs at home and maybe singing this song together. Bye for now.